everyone, today I'm going to talk you through how to make these Dreamcatcher style hoop earrings, so let's get started. For this project all we're going to need is some old hoop earrings, some embroidery threads, any colour of your choice, Yoo-hoo glue. This doesn't have to be Yoo-hoo glue, you can use PVA glue or even a hot glue gun, and scissors to cut your thread. Okay, so to start off with, you just want to take one of your hoop earrings and find the end of your embroidery thread. Then obviously, because I'm using the Yoo-hoo glue, you just want to apply a small amount of the Yoo-hoo glue onto the end of your earring, as you can see. Now obviously if you're using a different glue, that's absolutely fine. You just want to apply a small amount to the end, as you can see, and then you just want to start wrapping this around. So yeah, that's stuck down in place where the glue is, and then you just want to continue this and wrap all the way around this edge until you get to the other side, and then just secure it at the other side with some glue. So as you can see, I'm just coming up to the end now, so I just want to dab a little bit of the Yoo-hoo glue onto this end, and again I just want to wrap a thread around the end where I have added the Yoo-hoo glue. Then we just want to snip off that end and secure that down into place. And there you have it. Okay, so now that we have our hoop earring completely covered on the outside with our embroidery thread, we are going to go in and start making our design on the inside. So what we want to do is take a small bit of the Yoo-hoo glue and just apply that on the edge of our earring, and then you just want to attach the end of our embroidery thread and just wrap that around. Don't worry, again this is quite fiddly. So there we go, we've secured that in place, and then from here basically you're just going to have fun. You just want to wrap around in different directions, making this kind of almost Dreamcatcher design. You can make this as dense or as spacey as you want, and yeah, it's just free to have fun basically. So then once you've finished off your design, you just want to take your scissors, you're just going to snip off that end, and you're just going to take your Yoo-hoo glue onto a section and just glob that on again, and then you're just going to wrap that into place. Hold on, I think I'm just going to apply a little bit more because that wasn't that much. So yeah, just wrap that around into place. I'm going to just use my scissors and actually thread that loose end through to the other side. Can you see that? And then pull it through on the other side so that this fully wraps around onto the sticky end. Obviously you don't have to do this, but it just gives this loose end a full stick down on that Yoo-hoo glue edge, and then just cut off the excess, and then you cannot see where the glue was on the outer edge, and there you go, you've got a very decorative earring. I'm just going to go off camera and finish the next one, and then we'll see the finished item.